good, YouTube? How you guys doing? I'm doing good. I'm doing good. I'm doing good. And we are back today with a luscious seafood boil, homemade, of course. So we just have some little baby shrimps over here. Some, you okay, Kaka? Some corn, some mashed
potatoes,
some
lobster legs or crab
legs. And did I say corn?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're basically gonna do a seafood boil mukbang, and we're just gonna talk to you guys. Eat, carry on. Okay, come here. Just let him bite.
Okay, I'm gonna eat a mashed potato first.
I'm gonna put my corn.
Me too. I'm gonna eat mashed potato first. Remember, we have to talk about something.
Oh yeah, and a little bit of butter sauce. I don't really know how to make it, how to do that color that they have it on YouTube. No, Kaka, you don't need to dip that. Of course, we have Kaka over here, so we can't all fit. So, yes, baby, it's good.
Whatever.
I'm gonna tear it into this crab. You don't need to dip, Kaka.
Slippery. I'm about to get some shrimp.
There's some American have this one. This leg fell off. Here, we should have that one.
Is it sharp? Like
Probably a little.
Yeah.
But
wait. Wow. Is this meat? Yeah. No. Okay.
dang, I was looking for my little piece. It's hard to crack or something. They be making it look so easy.
Oh, ooh. God.
Good. Okay, let me stop trying to not get messy because unfortunately I get messy.
I'm not trying to clear up this whole table anyway.
So, excuse me, this is my.
Ow.
This is yours.
I need.
So what do we got going on?
I don't know. Oh. Oh. Oh.
You don't know what you got going on in your life?
No.
What you get up and do every day?
Watch YouTube.
No.
Well, what I get up and do for school
Get this meat out.
is
I said I can't get this meat out.
what I do is I get up, go upstairs. I put my clothes on. Then I go back downstairs.
You want to get a plate, Uchi, because
No, I got it.
a plate to lean over.
Oh yeah. I go downstairs, brush my teeth. Then I plate.
You go downstairs and brush your teeth?
This one is mine. Because I have to go upstairs in my room to go put my clothes on.
Oh, yeah.
So this one is mine. Nobody touches the floor. That's mine. Dang, kids don't know how to eat corn.
Say, I'm a big boy. What you thought? Carry-on, why do you want to dip it? You just want to make a mess.
I brush my teeth, wash my face. Come here, you wash your face that much? Oh my! Just,
She ain't eating this. Let's go away with butter.
I brush my teeth, wash my face, then I would get my baby undressed. Dang, it's all seasoned.
Dang, Camila.
Then,
God, and my crab.
Okay, so I'm talking about what y'all do at school.
oh, at school?
Oh yeah. So I do like play at recess. It's so fun at recess.
Yeah, that's the only thing you like about school?
What I like about school is
Ow, this stuff hurts.
I like math.
Oh,
Love
me
math.
too.
You love math? Your teacher
Mom.
just told me that you're, excuse me, like the highest academic level or something in your math, in
Mommy.
your class.
Yeah, I love math.
Mommy.
What?
My teacher always say be quiet because she always let us play with Lego on math. So she said be quiet because she don't want to get fired.
Oops, I hope her boss don't watch this. But you can, teachers are allowed to use props to keep. Sorry guys, my straps keep falling down.
How do you I can't. That's why we need to sit. Guys, look at my hands. Well, you probably can't see it, but
That's
Wait.
seasoning.
I didn't even get a piece of corn yet, but then.
I'm going to eat a piece of corn.
Oh, there we go.
Oh my gosh, let me do it. These clothes need to go in a bag or something because they're going to be stinking until they get washed.
They already is thinking.
You need help, don't you?
I'm eating meat right now. Mommy, look. It's the same side. You can just push it up with your hand.
Ooh.
Mm-hmm.
Guys, look at all this meat that my mom got me for.
So look at all this meat.
I really never had these type of crabs like before. Because
Okay. Dang, Mommy.
Mm-hmm.
every time I watch
Mommy,
YouTube,
now it look like a weight that you can push up.
because every time I watch YouTube, the food that they be eating looks so good.
Oh, Mommy.
This is snow crab.
Mommy, so you just made this a weight. You can push it up, and then when nobody looking, you can push it up, and after it gets a yellow weight, you can push it up to eat the corn.
Uh-huh.
Y'all can't see me.
Yeah, we should have scissors for this because this stuff is bendy. This is how it was when I went to, what's it called? Angie Seafood.
And maybe Angie made the seafood, because Angie Seafood.
No. But I was so sad that I was dropping these people off because I'm a Lyft driver. And they was going to Angie Seafood.
Dang, this is so much meat.
And they was about to spend a bunch of money for a little bit for no good taste.
This meat.
You want this?
Can I eat this, Mommy?
Hey.
Yeah.
Oh God, look at all this meat. Look at all this meat. I'm just gonna eat
Oh
that.
my gosh, I just dropped out.
Oh no.
I gotta sweep this floor.
Definitely.
Oh, look here, Richie.
Dang. No.
I mean,
There's meat in here.
the meat kind of tastes like. Yeah.
That's so much butter.
You don't like it?
The meat, though, it tastes a little bit nasty.
What?
Ew,
This is
why
a
are you
little-
eating it?
You don't even know why you're laughing.
I'm just doing it for the video.
You embarrassing. I ain't gonna lie though. either I need to get this stuff fresh, or I don't see how they eat it all the time.
Who's this one?
Well, this is mine. I think that's gotta be mine. Where's my other end? I don't really
This one
like.
is mine.
I don't really like. You can eat it. I don't really like this stuff either.
I love it.
I really don't even like seafood. I don't really like shrimp. I don't like.
I like shrimp.
I only like them little crabs. You know that everybody gets during summertime.
Guys, I like those crabs with the top shell. I don't like these kind of crabs. Right, Mommy?
We like the same kind of like that everybody eats during summertime.
Oh, wait. Can we go get some scissors?
We almost done now. I don't know, you're dirty up again. I'm trying to push it out, but it's like it's not.
How did I work?
Your fingers a little where mine. Eat, baby. You're getting it all over you.
Mommy, maybe it's because my finger is more skinnier.
That's what I said.
This my piece.
You can't
This
just
girl
eat
is
it.
trying to eat all my crab. Go ahead.
What? That too.
Ah, eat yours.
Guys, look how much I ate.
You don't even know how to eat that.
I'm eating it right now.
I'm not gonna eat. Me, Katie.
Hey, on. Eat your corn and your potatoes
Kevin, I eat it like this.
and your shrimp.
You know how to eat the corn?
Woo! I'm full.
I'm not.
We should have ate this when it was hot.
You're going.
Ooh.
Mommy.
'Cause I had to make this. Dang, boy. I had to make this and then we had to run somewhere. So sad. Why are you doing that? Eat it.
And we should never did it like this so we can know what crab we had. Look at the on our plate.
I'm full.
Mommy?
I wish y'all get food because I ain't going upstairs till I clean this mess up. But stop. Eat your shrimp. You want to dip something so bad. See who knows me better.
Okay.
What's my favorite color?
Black.
Oh, black?
I saw it first.
Come on.
Not even a silver.
You look like you was waiting for her to answer those, didn't you?